Hey, what's up, high leveler? My name is Andrew, and if you run an SEO or a reputation management agency or sell this service to your customers, you're really gonna like this feature. So inside of our reputation tab under listings, we can go to analytics in order to actually schedule and generate reports for our listings. Now, this is currently only available for Yext, so make sure you're first using Yext in order to make this function, and then just click schedule report. You can then select the entity that you're scheduling for, include different analytics inside of different graphs like our listing impressions, total listings actions, listing profile views, and listings by device usage over time. We can then include a logo, so we can include like our agency's logo or our customer's logo for their listings report. Then include something like a headline, like your listings report. Include something like a description, then set up our scheduling details, so our frequency. So let's say we want to do this once a month on the first of the month. So we can select the first, and we can select a time here. Then we can designate our language, configure our notifications. So like if we're going to send this in-app, we can use our checkbox here, or we can send it via email. And if we send it via email, then we can select the user that we're sending it to. Interestingly enough, this can actually be any user in your entire agency, not just this sub account. So you can select any user. Then you can include your from email, then our subject line and our email content. This will include things like your business name and such. And then we can click schedule report. So once this is set up, this will then send this report monthly or whenever we set that time to those users. And that's going to include all of the information that we have on this analytics page inside of listings. So our device usage, our profile views, our total listings actions, impressions, things like that. We're going to get this analytics page basically just in email at a scheduled time as a custom report. This is really cool because we don't necessarily have the exact same features under reporting and custom reports that we usually do. So we can use this alongside our listings, again, as long as we're using Yext in order to send these reports to our customers to see what types of results they're getting from places like Google and all the other places that they're listed using your listing service. This is an absolutely awesome feature. You can totally sell this just on its own. And if you're selling any sort of SEO or reputation management, this can be a game changer for your customers and just making sure that they're updated to see the performance that you're delivering with them through your listing service. Of course, if you have any questions about this feature, feel free to drop a comment on this video or refer to the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.